Hello plant lovers, I'm Sri Kavya. Welcome back to our Trust Basket Gardening channel. Today let's talk about a plant that most of them are showing interest in growing them in recent times, that is lucky bamboo. A plant that not only brings touch of nature indoors but also believe that it brings luck and prosperity. So, if you're looking to grow this lucky bamboo in your home, then stay tuned for our easy lucky bamboo grow tips. Selecting the right container is very crucial for lucky bamboo growth. So, select a container that is 2 inches larger than the current plant root ball. If you are growing the lucky bamboo in soil, you should also ensure it has enough drainage holes to prevent waterlogging, which could harm your plant's roots. You can grow lucky bamboo either in soil or hydroponically, I mean in water. If you are growing in water, remember that you don't use tap water if the water is hard. Your lucky bamboo will grow much better if you use distilled or purified water. If you want to grow in the soil, it thrives in a well-draining mix. A combination of potting soil, compost and perlite or sand works wonders. A good rule of thumb is water the plant sparingly. Don't let the soil soggy all the time because lucky bamboo get easily infected with a bacterial and fungal attack. So here what you can do is water the plant once every 5 to 7 days. If you want to grow hydroponically, then don't forget to change the water every 7 days and simultaneously clean the container and pebbles with plain water. Don't grow the lucky bamboo plant in direct sunlight. It thrives well in indirect sunlight. If you are growing in any room, you just make sure there is good airflow in the room. To keep your lucky bamboo look at its best, a little trimming should be done. Trim the plant if you find any yellow, dead leaves or rotten stalks. Lucky bamboo really doesn't need any fertilizer to grow. Whatever care I discussed till now, if you follow those simple steps, it is enough. But still, if you want to use any fertilizer, then use water-soluble fertilizer, which is specially made for this plant. There you have it, folks. Your guide to nurture lucky bamboo with ease. With the proper care and a touch of positivity, your bamboo will flourish, bringing you greenery and good fortune. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more plant loving videos. Thank you. Bye.